Today's video is about aircraft identification. So aircraft identification, aircraft call sign will be different depending on whether you are a general aviation flight or small operator, or an operator with a telephonic designator and flight number. Example: Air Canada, First Air, Elijet, etc. On initial contact with any air traffic service unit, you must identify yourself using your full identification, your call sign. If air traffic service refer to your aircraft using an abbreviated call sign, you may then begin using that abbreviation.